Portrait. Listen. Give me a rose when I'm alive, not dead. I wonder how you'd act when you are around my face. You never seem to care when I cut my wrist, so why should you even care when the cuts get deep? See, my silence is covering a lot of damage. I'm speaking pain every time I write a sentence. Speak it in the language of loneliness with an accent. Depression gave me a lesson, it's senseless to please things that don't please you. So when you're broken to pieces, I will fix you. That's what I say to every mirror that I peep through. You just gotta teach yourself when there's no one to teach you. You can heal you through everything you've been through. Just some years ago I couldn't walk or even speak to. I'm really grateful and I'm back on my knees too, trying to get some koala to carry me through my issues. All our uncles are locked up in a prison. All our brothers turned into Nyope victims. Fathers are nothing but some rolling stones. That's why our generation is fucking different. We were born as some ammunitions to fight against poverty and repair the ceilings. That's why we living fast and we're dying quickly, cause we're feeling like life is a running competition. It's easy to see but it's hard to speak it. If you've been feeling weak in this fucking minute, then I'm willing to heal if your heart is bleeding. Gotta put this shit on repeat and just stop and listen. There are some blessings that looks exactly like curses. The reason that you're hurting is manifesting your essence. Without the proper learning, you'll never decode the lesson. Trust me, the pain is worthy, it makes you a better person. It's heavy to see your soul bleeding through your eyes. You're trying to hide the pain, but we see it in your smile. Every night you're crying, pray, hoping peace could realign. God is fixing your pieces, I promise you'll feel alive in a minute, an hour, a day or in a year. Your mission is empowered by the pain you fucking felt. Understand that jealousy envies your happy face, and the greener the grass, the plenty the snakes, so just laugh. Happiness is brought by being amused. This is your only chance to eat the fruits of your youth. I'm sinking deep in your shoes. This world has made happiness a harder tree to uproot. Portrait.